Alright guys, good morning, good morning. Okay, time check is already 8:30, so we have 2 hours more to drive. We live in San Diego like 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna be in Las Vegas about an hour and a half. So actually guys, on our adventure today, it's gonna be a long drive going up north and all the way to Yellowstone and Grand Teton. So actually we always stop at Las Vegas for food and gas. So and after that we're gonna drive all the way to Utah. So we're gonna stay there for overnight. It's a 6 hours drive from Las Vegas to Salt Lake City, Utah. Alright, so later guys I can update you, but for right now we're gonna stop over for PP muna tayo. Alright, wala stick guys, sinabutan tayo ng traffic. May ginagawang road ahead. Okay. So right over here 15 minutes traffic. Okay, and it's like an hour drive more to go to Las Vegas. Buti na lang passenger ako ngayon. Okay, ito tulog pa yung mga bulilit. Okay, sorry guys, kailangan ko ng driver ngayon kasi it's a long drive. We're gonna go to Yellowstone. Okay, nag-move na konti. Alright guys, we're here in Las Vegas. Okay, as you can see, yan ang pinaka landmark na ngayon ng Las Vegas along Freeway 15, yung bagong stadium nila. Ito, ano yan? Allegiant Stadium. Okay, so
in 2 miles,
as usual, mag-stop over tayo sa Jollibee, Las Vegas. Okay. So relax pa lang maging passenger. Kaya buti na lang na training ko na tong driver. Ayan. Tulog pa yung mga bulilit. Okay. Yan yung dito na ang pinakamagandang venue nila sa mga boxing, games, basketball, concert. Yan. Ayan, napakalaki yan. Saka yan na yung mga nila hotels. Yan. Alright guys, same thing, Jollibee. Oh, ito Jollibee. May Jollibee pala rito sa Las Vegas oh. Saka Seafood City. Of course guys, is breakfast time. Okay, can you go inside, Ate? I'm getting anything. Okay.
What about you now?
Ito guys, pag nakikita nyo yung mga bundok na yan, you're gonna come into your mind, we're going to Utah Jazz. Utah. called their team? Utah Jazz. GoPro, stop recording.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
Ako, ulan na. It's raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. Ito guys, what time is it now? It's already
310.
what is 3:10. So 3:10.
It's 210.
So our arrival at Salt Lake City is 6 in the evening. Okay, nag-restroom muna tayo mga lodi. Ito. Tapos relax muna tayo saglit. Then sibat na naman. Okay. Alright, update ko kayo mamaya doon sa Salt Lake City. Kasi mag-stay kami doon for one night. Kasi malayo pang biyahe doon. It takes another 6 hours from Salt Lake City to Grand Teton. Alright? Goodbye. Okay guys. Almost isang oras pa biyahe. Papunta sa Salt Lake City. Kasi mag-stay kami talaga doon ng one night. Overnight lang yun. Ito ang view ngayon dito sa papuntang Utah. Yan, may mga malilit dito na community. So still freeway 50. There you go, Salt Lake City, 64 miles pa. May irrigation pala. Kaya, daming mga baka. Ayun yung mga baka. Nakagapas na pala sila. Pag nakagapas na, doon na pinipesto.
stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.